Hello everybody and welcome to the first video of our social media hacking section. Now this is an update section where I will keep on adding the videos as we go. So what we have for today is the first part of hacking Instagram. This will be a way using a tool that we can download from GitHub, and there will be two more ways which I will add later on. For now on, let's just go with the first way. So what you need to do is you need to open up your terminal right here. Navigate to your desktop directory, as I already did, and what you want to do is you want to open up your Firefox, where you want to navigate and type in the search bar InstaShell. Once you type that in, you want to go to the first link, which is this one from the GitHub. It says the Linux choice /InstaShell. Click on it right here, and it will lead you to this page where you can download the tool. So we already know how to download GitHub tools. We copy the link, we type in our terminal git clone, and then we paste the link and add .git. What this will do is it will install the directory of InstaShell onto our desktop directory, and as soon as that finishes, we can go to that directory, type ls, and we can see all of the files that it has. Now, we might notice that it has two .sh files, so we need to make those an executable before we actually run them. So, in order to make them an executable, we need to type chmod +x install .sh and chmod +x instashell.sh. Once you do that, the first file that we want to run is install.sh right here. So in order to do that, you type dot and then slash and then install.sh. What this will do is it will install all the needed things in order to be able to run the main file, which is the install_shell.sh. And how this actual program works, it requires a username or the account name, which you can find simply just by looking on Instagram online, and it brute forces for its password. It has the password.list, which comes already pre-installed in the program itself or in this directory, and this password contains 40,000 different passwords, which then it uses to brute force the account that you specify. Now, of course, you don't need to use this password list. You can use your own password list, a bigger or a smaller one, but for the purposes of this tutorial, we're going to use the one they give us. Okay, so as we can see, installing Tor, everything is finished, all requires are installed, so we are ready to run the instashell.sh. If you type ls, you will see both of the files are executable. So let's run instashell.sh. And this program is actually really simple to use, so the first thing it actually asks from you is the username account. Now for this tutorial, I will use this username right here, video_test6. Press here enter. The second thing it requires from us is the password list. Now here you can specify the path to your own password list, or you can press here enter and it will use the default password list, which is in the directory. The amount of threads you can simply leave on default, which is 10, and this basically means the actual speed that it will brute force the account that you specify. For this attack, we don't really need more than 10, so we will specify just enter right here. And you can see we get the first error, which says check your Tor connection. Just type Tor or service Tor start. So in case you aren't running Tor already, you need to listen to this command and type service Tor start. It should take just a few seconds to actually start the Tor process, and as soon as we do that, we can go back and run our program. Specify everything the same as we did before, so video test 6. The password list will be default and the threads will be default. And right here, you will see it will try to brute force the password with just some random guesses from their own password list. But since this will not really find the password that I have for that account, I will simply just quit this process. It will wait for all the threads to shut down. It will ask save session for this video test. We do not want to save session right now. And I will go to my password list that they have in the InstaShell folder, and I will add the password manually. So let's go a little bit down, and after the Coca-Cola, I will add the password, which is test1234, for the account that we're trying to attack. I will save this, run the program once again, type the account name, press here enter as well. It will run the program, and as you can see, it managed to find the password. It says down here, password found, test1234, and it saved it right here. So if you type ls, it should have the found.instashell saved in the same directory as the program. If you cat the found.instashell, it will give you the username and the password. So let's see if this is correct. If we go to the Instagram login page and type the username, video_test6, and then go to the password and type the password test1234, go on login button, we can see we successfully logged in to the test account. So hope you enjoyed this first way of hacking Instagram, and this is just one of the 3 that we're going to cover. So there are multiple ways to actually attack social media, and we will cover most of them. So thank you for watching and take care. Bye.